Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna pick up some delicious pomegranate and we're gonna do delicious juice with it. So I'm gonna pick up those pomegranate. Look how beautiful they are. They are grown up, ready. Now when you pick them up and you clean them, do not throw the shell and the seeds after you squeeze them into the trash. Just throw them back into the ground or dig it, put it in. It will make it nice, good fertilizer. Year gone, you don't have to buy new fertilizer. Or you fertilize your garden with your own vegetables. Anything falls on the floor, you peel it, you clean it, that's what you do. All right, now I'm gonna pick them up and I'm gonna show you what I will do with this delicious pomegranate. So what we need is here about 20, 15, 19 strawberry. A plate of strawberry. We need at least 5 to 6 cubes pomegranate juice, which I put that in an ice cube. I squeeze them and I put them in a freezer to be ice cube. We need about 3 bananas. You can put 2 in case if you don't have it. And we need 1 persimmon, which I cut it, I cleaned it. So we need 1. We need crushed ice. And we need pomegranate again. All right, so we're gonna start to put now the strawberry. We're gonna mix them all together. We're gonna put the ice cubes. We're gonna put the pomegranate juice ice cube. We need the persimmon. It's gonna be really the tastiest fruit and healthiest one. And a banana. There we go. They all gonna be blended together. There you go. There we go. Now you can put this back in a freezer or refrigerator. It becomes like slushy, like you can, once it gets ice, you can blend it again and eat with the spoon slush, or just like the way it is. Very healthy juice you will drink early in the morning. And it will give you very good energy. You can put some pomegranate on top in case if you want to offer your guests, and this is how you enjoy. Or you can put a piece of mint, or you can just put for decoration lemon. Now I'm going to taste it and see how delicious it is. I have to tell you, this is one of the healthiest fruit juice that you can make. Well, cheers to you. I hope you will have all those fruits. It has a lot of antioxidant in the pomegranate. The persimmon is healthy. It gives very sweet. You don't need any sugar. The strawberry has a little bit sour, and so is the banana, which is full of potassium. All the fruits, they have their own healthy, delicious ingredients for your body. I hope you'll try this and you enjoy it. And in case if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. And I thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.